One of the nice things you can use Google BigQuery for is a so-called in-place replace function. Let me show you how this works. Okay, let's say we have a table called like and subscribe, which is always a good table name because you always should like and subscribe. However, this table has a reporting date, platform, sub ID, and gross revenue inside. So let's say our task now is to lowercase the platform column. What we can do is we can first of all use the accept clause, which you might have heard of because I've done a video about this. But nonetheless, what you can also do when you do the accept, you add the column platform at the end, and then you can lowercast it. However, what this does is, of course, it changes the ordering of the columns in the table. So meaning that if you would like to keep the ordering, you would either have to rewrite everything by saying, okay, you select each column individually and cast them differently, or you use the accept clause. If you enjoyed the content so far, please press the like button because that helps me understand what is actually valuable for you guys. And of course, if you're interested in serious business intelligence topics for serious and senior business intelligence people, or even aspiring business intelligence people that want to become senior, feel free to subscribe because do me a favor and subscribe, but also do yourself a favor and subscribe as well. Thank you. Anyways, so with the replace function, you can now replace the column in place, which means you keep the same column structure. So meaning that's very useful if you need to have union all later on and you don't want to change the order, because then your union all would also not be the same, because your union all basically needs to have the columns in the same order, right? So if you have different tables and so on, that's quite nice. The other part is that, of course, like, it's super convenient to do this. The downside, obviously, is that this is not a real replace function. It's basically, it doesn't allow window functions that you could use normally when you would recreate the columns. It just lets you replace something in place. Important to say also that you need to have the same name, right? So when you replace something, you replace it with a name. So meaning you have to say lower platform as platform so that BigQuery knows it's a platform. With that being said, that's it. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon.